Look at these babies. Baby. Hi, mama. Oh, dude, I almost fucked up. I left the freaking dang key in the ignition in the on position, and luckily motherfucker started up. That could have been bad, but well, more like bad for the battery. That you can jump start a motorcycle. It's pretty easy, actually. You just got to get the steps right. So what you do is you basically just get off, put your kickstand up, put it in first gear, and I mean, if it's flat dead, I don't think it'll work. If it's like big dead, I don't think it's gonna work. Well, it might. But what you do is you run with it, right? You stand next to it and you run. Clutch in, ignition on, or whatever, fuel pump on, and you run, jump on it, and as you jump on it, you release the clutch and hit the ignition button right there. And what that'll do is that'll turn the engine over. But that's why you gotta jump on it, because you have to have your weight with momentum to spin it over. Otherwise, the compression stroke will prevent you from doing it properly. It's a lot easier on a single cylinder, just because there's less compression to fight against. But man, I haven't done that in a hot minute. So I just left the gym. I forgot my goddamn gym shorts again. I forgot them yesterday, I forgot them today. And I think it's just because in the morning I'm still fighting, I'm battling this cold. And it's just tearing my mind apart, man. I'm just so out of it. It's like my head's in a fishbowl and 5 times bigger. I'm walking around just like a bobblehead, like oh, blah, 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 blah. My brain's barely working, like it's not fun. Woo! I haven't leaned into a turn in a long time. Do you ever wonder why people lean into turns? Well, let's start with this. Actually, let's back up. If you are struggling making it through corners fast or at a tight angle, try leading with your chin. Right? You are exactly where my chin is. So we'll do it through this corner. I normally slow way down for this. Yeah, I normally go through that corner at about like 44. I mean, that wasn't fast. I wasn't really tearing into that corner. But if you lean with your chin, or lead with your chin, it makes going through corners a lot easier. And shifting your hips, like your bike will automatically turn, but what you're doing is you're fighting against the lean angle. So when you're leaning, right? So let's say my palm, right, or my thumb, where my thumb is, that's the tire making contact. Right here, we'll do it again. When you lean and you're going through a corner, basically the centrifugal or centripetal, whichever one it is, I don't know the difference. One of the two is pushing you kind of down into the asphalt or into the tarmac, however you want to say it. And if you're going through a corner too fast, you can end up high siding. Right? So what that means is that the lean angle is too great for the speed, and so your bike will just basically throw itself up. You know what I mean? Or you'll end up scraping pegs or something like that. But when you shift your weight into the turn, how do I explain it while I'm riding? Fuck, I don't know how to explain it. But you're essentially fighting against the lean angle. Okay, now you're over, right? You're over, and oh my god, I don't know how to explain it. Holy shit, why did I even bring it up? You're fighting against the maximum turn angle. That's why what you see in MotoGP or World Sport Bike or whatever, or World Superbike, that's the purpose of them leaning over, and that's why they scrape knee. It's one, to gauge the depth of the turn, and two is to fight against that lean angle. Otherwise, the gravity, or not the gravity, but the force of the exerted down onto the bike will be too great, and it'll pop up, and then you'll end up high siding. Now that, I got to apologize, because that is the worst description of all time. I think what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of research and educate myself on exactly what's going on. Like, I understand the principle and I understand the theory from doing it myself, but I don't understand it well enough to explain it to someone else. And for that, I apologize for wasting the last 5 minutes of your life. But what I can tell you with confidence is that leading with your chin may in fact help you overcome some of these corners, because I know that cornering can be difficult. I know for me it was right hand corners that were always super hard for me, and that's because I didn't know how to adjust my hand for the throttle. Now if you watch it when they watch their hands when they race, you'll see that they change the position of their hand from this to this, because when they're over here like this, you know, pushing against the bike basically and leaning off of it, it makes it a lot easier to control when they're out like this. I wouldn't mind getting some leathers and practicing going down to knee on the Grom, bro. That'd be freaking fun, huh? Oh my god, that'd be so much fun. That'd be so much fun. So yeah, this is the 7th day, I guess 6.5 day that I've had this freaking stupid cold. It's not COVID-19. It's not the Rona. I don't got the vid. We have tests at home from when that was a thing. Honestly, no one cares anymore. CDC guidelines are now to treat it like the common cold, which is what we did to begin with. Holy crap. Gee whiz. Anyway, yet another boring video. Well, I mean, there's a little bit of information in there. I hope you can extrapolate that information and plug it into your own motorcycle riding, or just save it for a rainy day. Speaking of rainy days, the rainy season is coming. I'm gonna do a like what to wear on a rainy day type stuff, how to deal with the cold weather. That's coming up. Don't worry, I haven't forgot. It just hasn't been cold enough yet. And also, I don't really feel like making a video at 4 in the morning when I can barely even remember to grab my clothes for the gym, which is another reason why I just wear my Justins, because I probably wouldn't be able to tie my shoes properly. Oh, they're young ones. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. Babies. Hi, Mama. Anyway, I love you. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.